Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Fazullah. I welcome you. It gives us immense pleasure in welcoming you all for this event, Roadmap for Global Competitiveness. In today's world, every business must be prepared for global competitiveness. There are so many factors which need to be considered by every manufacturing organization for sustainability and growth. Some of them are: does your organization produce goods cost effectively? Does your organization uses resources efficiently? Which products makes more profit or less? To measure all these things, organization need efficient tool, and we are proud to announce our tool Roadmap ERP, and every organization can reap the benefits out of it. We are quite confident we will be invited by you to your office to explore more about Roadmap ERP after this event. Our dignitaries are going to speak about the experience with Roadmap. I am going to discuss some of the important key features of Roadmap ERP. Let me take you to these presentations. As a first feature, Roadmap ERP is a seamless, integrated, robust, web-enabled, end-to-end business solution suitable for any kind, any size manufacturing industries such as small, medium and large businesses. Roadmap ERP comprises of hundreds of business functions in 53 modules on 10 business suites. When it comes, second point, we are going to the scalability of the Roadmap ERP. Roadmap ERP is highly scalable. With one installation, the organization can have multiple corporates. For each corporate, you can have multiple entities. The entities can have multiple units. The units are where we will be transacting. The units can be either a manufacturing unit or distribution unit, or it can be a combination of both. The warehouses and the departments can be maintained at the unit level, and the transaction can be maintained at the unit level also. The advantage of this one is organization can have the P&L balance sheet or performance at the unit level, entity level as well as corporate level. We can maintain the customers and suppliers at the entity level or as well as at the corporate level also. The organization can see the balances of the suppliers and customers at the unit level, entity level and corporate level. Roadmap IT Solutions is a Oracle Gold certified partner. From the day we are with the Oracle Partner Network, all our products are made with the Oracle platform. We use Oracle tools. We use Oracle database, our backend. We use our front end Oracle Developer Suite forms and reports. Oracle Application Servers is our middle layer. We use Oracle Business Intelligence tools, and we use Oracle ADF for the web portals. And Oracle is fully web enabled. The advantage of this one is the organization can host the application server and the database server at the corporate or data center. Manufacturing units and branch offices at geographically spread across the world can be connected through the internet, VPN, radio frequency, lease line connectivities also. So here we also provide the portals for employees, suppliers and customers. The suppliers can see their whatever transaction it's happening in the system, whatever the transaction approved at the company level, they can see that information. Roadmap ERP is fully governed through workflow management, which ensures timely, controlled flow of documents, and a legitimate person authenticates a document. If you take an example of this one, the PO entry is made by the purchasing user and it is forwarded for the review. The organization can define their own processes for the workflow management. Here we have an option, either we can forward it to the next level or the user can return to the originator, or it can be rejected also. Then system sends the notification to the buyer as well as the supplier once the purchase order is approved. Roadmap ERP supports periodical and perpetual accounting systems. What do we mean by here the periodical and perpetual accounting system? In country like India, we are using purely periodical accounting system, whereby we will be having a purchase account, we will be maintaining a purchase account. There will not be any inventory account. Other than India, they are using the perpetual accounting system. If you take other MNC software, they will not be supporting periodical inventory system. They will be insisting you to go for a perpetual accounting system. You can just view the information that periodical information, all our education system supports the periodical accounting system, that we will be maintaining a purchase account. When it goes to the perpetual accounting system, we will not be having any purchase account, we will be having an inventory account. Go for initial implementation, we struggled a lot. When we recommended the perpetual accounting system, we struggled to explain the user. They feel difficult to understand because they are asking where is the purchase account? Changed back to the periodical accounting system. Since we are supporting for all countries, our roadmap ERP supports for both periodical and perpetual accounting system. Type of manufacturing industry. Roadmap ERP supports 4 type of manufacturing industries. It can be a discrete manufacturing systems where we will be having a work centers. Work centers will be having a resources called manpowers, machines and other tools. We do support a process manufacturing industries such as sugar manufacturing industries, cement industries and all. Line manufacturing where we will be having a production lines. If you take the automotives and other spare parts manufacturing and all, they will be maintaining line manufacturing. There will be a production line. It starts with the first process. There will be a sequence of operations will be there. At the end of the line, we will be receiving either it can be a sub-assembly or assembly or finished product. And we do support project as well as project manufacturing industry, sir. What is a project and project manufacturing industry? Project, they will be executing only the project. They will be executing like a laying of the roads, construction of the buildings. This kind of industry falls under the project industries. Project manufacturing will be where we will be having a manufacturing activities will also be taken care, and also the project construction site will be going there. The erection will be done at the client places. So we do support project and project manufacturing industries, sir. There are industries which will be into make to stock. There are 4 kind of strategy we support. One is make to stock, other one is a make to order, third one is the engineer to order, fourth one is the assemble to order. We do support all these 4 kind of strategies we do support. If you take and make to stock industries, the organization which starts with the sale forecast, then the flow will go until the invoicing. The same way make to order, where the production will be started only after receiving the customer schedule or customer order. When it comes to the engineer to order, it starts from the inquiry from the customer. They will be requesting for the quotation, feasibility study, then you will be making a engineering design and drawing. After approval from the customer, the engineering item will be made, then other activities like a planning activities will be started. When it go for a assemble to order kind of industry, there will be a combination. Like if you take a computer kind of industries, it's the assemble to order. We will be having a standard configurations. User will be opted to choose for the configurations. Once the required configuration is set, new item will be created, then the rest of the flow will follow, starting from demand until the invoicing, sir. Roadmap is a continuous improvement. Whenever we are implementing the software to the customer sites, we are identifying the new requirements. What we do, we evaluate the requirement, we assess and reassess the requirement. When it is feasible, we do the plan and design, then we implement. Once we successfully implemented the client places, we do send the patches to the other clients also, sir. When it comes to the reports, we have 4 kind of reports. One is operation reports. We have 500 plus operation reports. We have a statutory reports which is 50 plus statutory reports we support, starting from like RG23A, RG23, VAT reports, service tax reports, ERE reports, TDS deduction, CSI and etc. We are providing 200 plus MIS reports, and we do provide the business intelligence and the key performance indication reports, sir. We thank you all the participants who have accepted our invitation and attended this event despite of your busy schedule. For exploring more about roadmap, please call our business executives. They will come and demonstrate more about roadmap ERP. Thank you very much.